Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see your recently played songs on Spotify. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to see your recently played songs, you can go to any playlist on your account. Here you can see the Your Library option, tap on it. You can go to the any playlist that you want. For example, I'll tap on this light song playlist. Once you're in the playlist, here you can see the add to this playlist option. So tap on it. Now here you can see the most played songs. Now you can swipe to the right until you find the page of recently played. In this page, you can see the list of songs that are recently played in your account. So that's it. That's how you can easily see your recently played songs on Spotify account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.